The next thing I want us to look at getting the password for Microsoft document. For this case, I have a Word document. So if I try to open that Word document, you can see it's asking for a password. Let's see if you can be able to extract or to get the password of this particular Word document. So I will go back to the Gemini CLI. So I'm going to ask it, what about Microsoft Word documents? We'll see what we'll get. So the results are here. And we can see we can be able to crack .doc or .docx document. And to do that, we are going to need this Office to Join tool, which is a versatile tool that works with all Microsoft Office files, which includes Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and etc., including both the legacy .doc and the modern .docx formats. Okay, that's good. So we are supposed to do the same thing we did with the other encrypted files. We pass it to a tool, Office to Join for this case, and then we crack that hash that we save in the redirect file. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to say Office to Join, then the name of our file is documents, then we are going to say doc underscore hash. Okay, then if we cut that file, you can see we have been able to get that particular hash. So this is what you are going to pass to John, and it will be able to crack that particular password for that file. Okay, let's see what we will be able to obtain. And with that, you can see we have been able to obtain the password of that particular document .docs. So maybe we can test it out to see if it works. So I'm going to open the file. Then the password was Moonlight. And with that, you can see we have been able to see what is inside the document file.